from sunny San Diego. I just wanted to talk a little bit about hosting Japanese exchange students. I just had a student leave, and his name was Yudai from Japan, and he was here in my home for about 7 months. And just want to share a little bit of things about, how great it is to have different people come from all over the world. And um, Udai, actually, we Americanized him a little bit, and he picked up the name by Jack because he stood by Jack in the Box and just he really loved it. So he was a great guy. I'm gonna miss him. He was here a long time. But um, it, hosting students, Japanese exchange students, it's fun. It's incredible. You get to learn a lot about their culture and who they are, what their goal is, what their passion is, and what they're really really striving for, what they're going to school for. And it's quite nice. So I just wanted to share a little bit about that, how fun it can be. And they're adults. They come here from outside the country, and they're really really wonderful people. So Jack was a great Japanese student. So anyway, if you want to learn a little bit about more what I do, go ahead and click on the link below here, and you'll be able to, see that. So anyway, look forward to hearing from you, and make it a great day. And remember, never give up on your dreams. Take care. Bye now.